really the whole time I had that job, I was kind of struggling to even do it. Like not only because I was just so anti-job at the time anyway, but then also because it was a lot of things I didn't agree with, as far as the fees and as far as how they told me how to handle certain situations with unit franchise owners. But I fought through, you know what I mean? I dealt with it. And I quit one time because of it. Then I said I had to chalk it up and go back because I really, you know what I mean? Like my franchise still was building back up, so I had to go back. Then when I went back that second time, I stayed for a while, and then I was about to leave. And at this point, my online stuff was doing pretty well, and but it wasn't. I still wasn't, you know, what I mean, it still wasn't paying me more than what that job was, but it was doing pretty well, doing well enough. And for one, I started losing sleep because I started feeling guilty about things that I was seeing about the way how they. I don't want to. I gotta rephrase that. I gotta rephrase